Abstracto, abstracto, abstracto.
Jealousy, when envy eats right through you, making it hard to see things true. Ain't nothing funny about it. Ain't nothing funny about it, child.
See another one in control of the show. So you roll your eyes and throw your bag. You don't wanna see another moment.
For you guys coming over from my Etsy shop, here's a listen to the songs included in Music Pack Volume 1. I'll also link back to the music pack for you guys visiting here on YouTube. Here are the songs included.
So today we're going to focus on table saw safety. I just purchased a new table saw DeWalt, and the fence is a little bit taller, higher than the previous table saw that conked out on me. And forever I've been using this push stick, and it has, you can see all the saw grooves in there, and it's just a simple stick with this here so you could butt up your piece and run it through the table saw. But it's low profile. The other fence, the new fence, is taller, so I'm going to build something for that. That way I keep my hands, fingers away from the piece, away from the actual blade.
I'm going to use this piece of paper here and trace out with this saw. Nice shape. The handle's nice and tall so I can keep my fingers away. And this plywood is from a friend of mine, Lewis. He gave me, it was from a cart, and I disassembled it. Nice thick plywood. My bandsaw is not, the blade's not working all that good. I have the blade, I bought the blade already, and I haven't changed it out, but I'm just cutting out the bigger chunks here with it and getting it close to the shape. And I did the rest with the scroll saw, and now I'm cutting out the inside part of that handle. So the idea is to have a push stick that'll work for this particular table saw, where my hand doesn't bump up against the side of the saw, of the fence. And here's my makeshift router table, and I'm just rounding over the edges of this push stick. And then I'll just sand it off, take off any fibers. And so yeah, we'll go ahead and give it a little bit of a poly just to seal it. And it's a pretty savage push stick, but it works. Let's test it out here. This is my new table saw that I was mentioning, the DeWalt. And if you want to take a look at that video, you can check it out on my chat. I'll leave a link below to the unboxing and all that. But let's test out the push stick and see if everything's is going to be a go. And it's working fine. Keeps my hands way out of sight there, away from that blade. So I'm happy with that. And there it is. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos, by the way, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Eloy with Eska Heather Woodworking, and I'll catch you next time.